Welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to download GTA 5 for free. GTA 5 for free. Download GTA 5 for free. Let's start. On your PC, when you download or when you launch your browser like either Chrome or any browser, you type Epic Games. So you search for Epic Games. So yeah, this is the Epic Game. So you type for Epic Game. So when you type for the Epic Game, this is what you see, Epic Games. So you type for Epic Games. Under the Epic Game, you search for the first one. You click or you open. So when you open it like this, it will appear like this way. So this is the Epic Games. Yes, Epic Games. So you download. You see download on top here. You click to download. You click. Yeah, it is downloading. See here. So you wait patiently for it to finish download. You wait for it to download. So we are waiting for it to finish downloading. So this is the game. So we wait for it to download. Good. It has finished downloading. So let's check. So you see the download bar here. You see this one. I'll click. Yes, it has finished downloading. So it here, let me see. I'll go to downloads. Yeah, this is the game. So I will install it. Epic installer. So I'll click to install. Yeah, so you install it. Please follow the steps so that you not miss any steps. It is installing. So I'll click install. Yes, so you wait for it to install. Click yes. You go install. And one more tip is to download GTA 5 for free. So it is installing. You wait for it to finish installing. Games. Yeah, it's setting up. It has finished installing, so it is upgrading the downloads. Yeah. So it is upgrading. Yeah, it's upgrading. Yeah, after it has finished downloading, it will bring you here. You then sign in, so you can use any of these things. You can use your Facebook account or use my Gmail to sign in. So I'll click on the Gmail. Yes. So it says sign in. So you take your time. Here you enter your phone name, enter your email, and next you enter your password so that you can able to log in to play the game. And again opening, you type GTA 5, the game will come and you play. So this is how download and install GTA on your PC. Bye bye.